Hello everyone. What did you that make you think hard? What mistakes did you make that taught you something? Or what do you do to improve your talent? These all questions check your mindset. Well, now the point is, do we have different type of mindset? So yes, it's a growth mindset and fixed mindset. So today, I Vinamisha is here to share a MOOC course available on Khan Academy that will help you to find the answer of the question I asked in the starting. The name of the course is Growth Mindset. Furthermore, to explore what is growth mindset, let me tell you a growth mindset is a belief in yourself to grow your brain. It allows people to value to what they are doing regardless of the outcome. This can be summarized in a quote that is, without continual growth and progress, such words as achievement and success. This can be summarized in a quote that is, without continual growth and progress, such words as achievement and success have no meaning. In contrast to this, a fixed mindset is a belief that you are born in a certain way and you cannot change. In fixed mindset, everything is about the outcome. If you fail or if you are not the best, it's all been wasted. The idea of the fixed mindset can be understood by the quote is that don't worry about the failure, worry about the changes you miss and when you don't even try. Moreover, to make all of you understand more, let me share. Let me share some ways to develop a growth mindset. First, acknowledge and embrace imperfection. In this point, hiding your weakness means you will never overcome them. Now the second point is view challenges as opportunity. In this point, having a growth mindset means realizing opportunities for self-improvement, learn more about how to feel well. The third point is try different learning practice. In this point, there is no one size fits all model for learning. What works for one person may not work for you. Learn about learning strategy. The fourth point is following the research on brain plasticity. In this point, the brain is not fixed, the mind should be either. The fifth point is replace the word failing with the word is learning. In this point, when you make a mistake or fall short of a goal, you haven't failed, you have learned. The sixth point is celebrate growth with others. In this point, if you truly appreciate growth, you all want to share your progress with others. Now the last point but not least, emphasize growth over speed. In this point, learning fast is not the same as learning well. And learning well sometimes requires allowing time for mistakes. So guys, you get something you need to follow your growth mindset so that you can get through the obstacles and achieve your goal. Thank you so much everyone and enjoy your day. Thank you.